Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can run multiple sprints at the same time within one project on Jira. So let us dive right into it. So guys, in the first step, head over to your Jira site and access one of your Scrum boards from that list of projects here. And here guys, within your Scrum board, you will be given the opportunity to start your sprints like that one, create a new sprint. How can you do this guys and run these sprints and customize them within one project at the same time? Well, in order to make this possible guys, you will need to access your Jira site settings first. To do that guys, simply click into plans here or into these three dots next to it, and after that select admin configuration, and from your Jira admin settings here under Jira configuration to the left, click into parallel sprints for company managed projects. For example, toggle it on here to the right if you haven't done that yet, and that is going to allow you to create multiple sprints and run them at the same time within your Scrum board. So return to your Scrum board and simply start creating your sprints by clicking into this button here in the bottom right corner. After that, customize it, for example. You can drag work items here into that field, into that one. And yeah, rename your sprint, add another one, click into create here. And that's how it works guys. That's how you run multiple sprints at the same time within one project on Jira. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.